Llawer o gynigion at y naill gol na'r llall hyd yma. Mariet yn chwilio am rediad Redmond o ganol y cae. Dan bwysau gan Cosby. Tsisilvic yn torri mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Ar ei droed chwith Tsisilvic a cyfle i roedd yn cael ei fethu gan brif sgoriwr y seintiau tymor yma. Sa chi'n ddisgwyl i chwaraewr o safon Tsisilvic neu tipyn gwell. Da gan Smith o chwrbella'r cae. A bas i Jamie Mullen tu mewn ond... O, mae'n disgyn i Tsisilvic. Os y gyfle i Tsisilvic, mae heibio'r golwr. A manteisio ar gam gymeriad gan Met Caerdydd. 90 eiliad cyn i'r egwyl. Gyda gyfle rhyw 2 funud yn ôl i roed y seintiau ar y blaen. Ond efo'r ail gyfle, wedi rhoi ting nghefn yr wyd am ei drydydd gol ar tymor. Tsisilvic. I Leo Smith. Mariet Redmond. I Tsisilvic. Redmond a Tsisilvic yn cyfuno. Os o opsiynau iddo fo, mae'r bel i mewn drwy'r rwyd i hun. Gan Liam Black, dwi'n meddwl. Bron iawr o'r gêm di chwarae. Symudiad gwych lawr y chwith. Y Triongla. Y chwaraewyr yn cyfuno ac yn holli amddiffyn Met Caerdydd. Mariet allan i Tsisilvic. Ymlaen i lwybr Redmond. Redmond ar draws i Draper, dio ddim yn cam sefyll ar bediad wych gan Lang. Dylia Greg Draper di wneud hi'n dair i'r seintiau newydd, ond unwaith eto fel cyllathro fenyn. Dacl gan Woolridge a Rhys. A mae Woolridge di gweld un cerdyn melyn. A mae'n gweld i ail. Felly cerdyn coch i Brad Woolridge, captan Met Caerdydd. A fo yn cael ei hel o'r maes yn yr amser sgael ei ganiatáu ar ddiwedd y gêm yma. Felly dwi'n dod yn brawn da i'r myfyrwyr.
Ie, oeddwn ni gyd yn gwybod sa'n gêm anodd i ddechrau. Wedi bod nhw'n eistedd mewn reit anodd i torri lawr, ond dwi'n meddwl fel ydych chi'n gweld, pan oeddwn ni fo'r pel, ni'n cadw o neis ac oeddwn ni sy'n pigo'r amser iawn i fynd.
So we've come here today under difficult circumstances, losing 2 players to COVID this morning, 5 players injured, but we've got a big squad, so the big squad had experience of playing against the best team in Wales. So it was a tough day. Oh, it was going to be a tough day, we knew that. For all the possession that TNS have, and they had that today in abundance, they scored from a deflected tackle, which was unfortunate, and an own goal. So we have to take, it and give them credit. They were good today. They were a good TNS side. We knew they were smart in from midweek, so all the credit to them.
We knew that they would press us high and just wait for us to give it away and then turn us round. So we sort of had an idea of how they play, and they fit, they're organised, and they do cause us problems. So I was glad to see that goal go in. Was it 44 minute? Just before half time, really good time to score.
We have to adhere to the COVID protocols, so those boys will have had their test. We're waiting on the results, and then hopefully we've got 2 or 3 back for next week. We've lost one today with the red card, obviously, but yeah, it's just that's football, and we have to deal with that. And I'm glad we played TNS today because it's given those boys vital experience of what it's like to play against the best teams in the league.